Exclusively to the News of the World. Read Jacko, The Secret Rooms, a News of the World exclusive this Sunday.
We're back with more movies, games and videos. Games seem to get more sophisticated almost every week, and a lot of this is caused by the constant upgrading of the hardware they're played on. In this ever-changing business, Movies, Games and Videos tries to keep you up to date. Last month at London Science Museum, yet another new generation of game systems was launched, the Amiga CD32. The system has twice the memory capacity of a standard console, which means it can handle games that are almost twice as big and twice as sophisticated as ordinary systems. As it uses CDs, it's possible to listen to music on it and watch the growing number of movies that are coming out on this format, as well as playing games. There aren't many games out for it yet, but we understand that there'll be as many as 100 released for this system by Christmas. So here's an exclusive sneak preview of what's coming up soon.
It was a quiet night, and I was having a lovely kip in my bed, when suddenly... Ah! Here we go again.
As well as versions of games originally created for other systems, there'll also be new games written especially for the format. And educational packages that really seem like games instead of school.
It's a wonderful program full of the most interesting facts about our universe, our world, and the creatures and people who inhabit it.
One of the effects of the system's expanded memory capability is that the graphics are of much higher resolution. In fact, it can display 256,000 colours on the screen. It also has a double-speed drive, which means that anything played on it can be played considerably faster.